Welcome to an Atlantis Rail video. Today we'll be talking about the Atlantis Rail cleaning kits. The Atlantis Rail system's frameworks are made from either high quality powder-coated aluminum or 316L stainless steel. Cable infill components are made of marine grade 316L stainless steel. Both materials hold up very well in harsh environments such as oceanfront, poolside, and commercial environments given the appropriate amount of care. Cleaning your rail system right after installation to remove all foreign matter from your powder-coated or stainless steel surfaces, including oil from tools and hands. You can clean your railing systems using the Atlantis cleaning tool, cleaning kit, or care kit. The rail cleaning kit is ideal for initial and routine cleaning, using the included brush and soap to scrub post, fittings, and cable, then rinse your system. The Rail Care Kit is for cleaning, polishing, and protecting. Use the included small scrub brush and polish on areas where environmental buildup remain before buffing up the polished area with the included microfiber cloth. To protect your stainless system, use the Lanix MX4, spray desired amount directly on all stainless steel components. Use the microfiber cloth to buff. The cable cleaner is designed to clean 1/8 inch to 5/32 cable. Removing the surface buildup, this attaches to a standard outdoor hose and runs over the cable. This scrubs and breaks apart any buildup on the cable. The Passivation Kit comes with the passivation fluid, nitrile gloves to wear during application, and microfiber polishing cloth. This kit is for use only on stainless steel railing systems where rust areas occur. It is important to wash thoroughly after use. Our Rail Simple Onyx series line should be cleaned using only the Rail Cleaning Kit soap and water. Use of the cable cleaner or other cleaning kits on the Onyx series line is not recommended due to the black coating. Cleaning a few times per year will help rid of any discoloration due to the weather, chemicals, or saltwater air depending on where you live. Low maintenance depends largely on the proper cleaning immediately after installation and the proximity to saltwater. Keeping the rail system clean will ensure buildup and discolorations will not occur. Whether you're dealing with harsh outdoor environments or your daily wear and tear, Atlantis Rail Cleaning Kits makes your cable railing system look like the day it was installed and ensures longevity of your system. For more information, visit our website. Thank you for making Atlantis Rail the choice for your view.